Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PaprikaSwap token. Ticker symbol is PPAI. Now the Paprika token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 8th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the PPAI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 8th at 9 o'clock UTC time. The Paprika token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PPAI, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now, PaprikaSwap helps you make the most out of your crypto in 3 ways: trading, earning, and winning. So, PaprikaSwap is a community-driven organization built to solve what might be called the liquidity problem. One could define this problem as the inability to desperate forms of liquidity to connect with markets in a decentralized way and vice versa. While other solutions provide incrementally progressive advances towards solving the problem of liquidity, PaprikaSwap, their progress is intended to create a broader range of network effects. Rather than limiting itself to a single solution, PaprikaSwap intertwines many decentralized markets and instruments. Thus far, the core products, which will be described in more detail, include decentralized exchange, yield instruments, an auction platform, an AMM framework, and staking derivatives. So PaprikaSwap's products are configured in a way that allows the entire platform to maintain decentralized governance of the PPAI token while continuing to innovate on the collective foundations by design. Whereas major structural changes are voted on by the community, the day-to-day operations, rebalancing of pools and ratios, business strategy, and overall development is ultimately decided on by our core team. So they have a roadmap. It says crypto moves fast and we move fast too, providing a way of life, and as a result we have this timetable. So phase 1, in this initial phase, we are focusing on building and deploying the decentralized exchange on mainnet. This includes the token release, airdrop, token sale included, farms, pool deployment, with initial farm setup of the PPAI Sol and pool of PPAI token bridge release, integrating wide range support for the ecosystems token. So this is on the Solana blockchain, this token. 4 decimal places on this token. And there is a total supply of 333 billion PaprikaSwap's tokens. And you can find it on SolScan there. And let's see here. So on their webpage too, if you go to paprika.world, you can find their Telegram channel at paprika_PPAI. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen there. at PPAI_AI on Twitter, and then you can find a Discord channel on their webpage as well, and a document section that's going to take you over to paprika-2.gitbook.io. So in the second phase of their roadmap, they're setting up the Paprika Treasury with all the initial funds necessary, the SOL, the PPAI tokens with addresses made public for verification. And they're going to set up a revenue stream for the Paprika Treasury, partnerships with ecosystem projects, Ask Me Anything, and community events. Now in the third phase of the roadmap, the S-Verse Lab will be deploying on the leading protocol and NFT AMM market at the same pace, with resources divided into each protocol to hesitate the development of both development updates and will be dropped weekly. So Paprika NFT updates, the NFT previews, will come out also in phase 3. And then in phase 4, they're going to introduce PaprikaSwap features like voting, info, analytics, and more. So ongoing things that they're working on right now in the timeline is testnet network integration, Zap features integration, farms and Paprika pools integration and testing, IFO IDO feature alpha testing, PaprikaSwap testnet release, UI UX performance updates and bug fixes, bridging, lending and borrowing protocol, voting, info analytics, the NFTs, the AMM NFT marketplace, the NFT collectibles, the buy and sell whitelisting NFT collections, the drops. They're going to have DEX, V2, UI upgrades, exchange of tokens, Zap feature, charts and other trading features, liquidity, staking, pools, farms, APR, APY calculator, harvest all functions. Now, all these features too they have their own little sections on their document section, their Git book that I mentioned that you can find on their webpage. And they're all about scalability, security, decentralization. And they have the tokenomics on here. So Solana token, and it can be used for staking, yield farming. It can be used on the swap, the NFT AMM marketplace, IFO token sales, and proposals. So in the DAO, basically. And there's a huge governance section here. Just all sorts of information. Check it all out on their webpage, paprika.world. Frequently asked questions too at the bottom of the page. Contact information and links to all of their features, use cases, utilities, whatever you want to call them. Check them all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know what you guys think about this token down there in the comment section. Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.